Hi, I'm Seng. So today we'll teach you how to read the user product sales report. This report allows you to identify which waiter are more hardworking to take order for customer and upsells for you. And from there, you can issue the commission for them. Thank you. I got the admin and cashier 1111. So let's say I do an example. I log in with admin, I order some food and send. Then I log in with the cashier account. The cashier and I order again, but with different item. Send. So let's say I'm using the cashier account to check out the bill that ordered by admin, and I log up the bill that I ordered just now. So in the report, it will shows based on the order. Let's say my cashier order just now 48 ringgit, and the admin I order just now is 12 ringgit. So from here you can know that the gross sales is based on who taking order, not depends on who check out the bill. So just now the cashier order for 48 ringgit, then it shows here, and the admin order for 12 ringgit. Here also will shows the item count. What you can do is you can issue the commission based on the gross sales. Maybe you can set a minimum sales amount to issue, or based on the percentage in the gross sales amount. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Genius Post, find Aseng.
找 post system, 找 Seng.